a product that is revolutionizing plant nutrition and protection. MicrobeBio Nature Phenom has proven to be a truly outstanding product that ensures a reliable experience for those who seek to upgrade their plant care. This is a quality that merges with scientific accuracy. Such an outstanding scientific approach is only matched by the impeccable quality of the contents of each package. This is the reason why the name, Nature Phenom, is so fitting for this product. One that ensures quality in a way that truly defines the value of the MicrobeBio brand. There is nothing more valuable than ensuring a product that works efficiently and is also cost-effective. Nature Phenom delivers natural plant hormones, essential sugars, vital amino acids, organic carbons, and proteins. This is essential to promote optimal growth and initiate beneficial microbial colonization. It presents the nanobiotechnology, enters the foliage, and harmonizes the root zone quickly to stimulate the photosynthesis process and boost the symbiotic cycle. MicrobeBio Nature Phenom improves plant response, enhances natural plant defense mechanisms, balances the soil's biology, and promotes healthy root growth to build robust plants from the root up while respecting the environment. The whole process of choosing the right kind of products for your plants is not easy. You need to ensure that you are making the right decisions if you want to avoid any setbacks, damages, or mediocre results when nurturing your plants. When you think about quality benefits for your plants, you will find that our products bring an unparalleled proprietary formula of carefully selected microorganisms. The most notable difference between our line of microbial products and that of other manufacturers is encompassed in the following three words: biodiversity, endospores, and equilibrium. Managing to achieve that level of balance has certainly been a challenge that required years of fine-tuning based on extensive research. The entire team at MicrobeBio is proud of the incredible result that revolutionizes plant nutrition. We have a unique collection of proprietary strains of biodiverse microorganisms that have proven to be critical for promoting nutrient cycling in soil when applied to the root zone or as a foliar treatment. In contrast, monocultural strains, without diversity, are susceptible to environmental pathogens and more easily succumb to lysing, denaturation of their DNA, and death. The bioactive potential of these microbial organisms is incredible. One of the other aspects that make our products so unique is that they contain viable bacteria, sporulated via fermentation. This means that nature is going to be doing all the work, and this is the ultimate way to ensure the best results. Balance has always been part of the process that ensures outstanding results with every single one of our products. It is undeniably evident that the Nature Phenom package is here to revolutionize the way you provide nourishment and protection to your plants. This is the main reason why it has become such a reliable and highly effective product that has become a solid choice that is unmatched in quality, accessibility, and results. All of which makes it a welcome addition to the already impressive MicrobeBio line of products. This is a scientific approach to create a formula that is ideal for your plant health and growth. Removing the possibility of any threat that will hinder the growth and endanger the health of your plants is going to be extremely important. MicrobeBio's Nature Phenom is the answer to your plant care and nurturing needs.